Welcome to Trending Moto PH. Today I'm going to show the new Honda Wave 125i this 2020. Now, I'm going to show you the features and benefits. LED headlight. Smart LED front light, bright, clear from every angle, more confident in every drive with indicator light and high-tech turning lights, clear, distinct from all degrees. Seat opener and key shutter. Easy to use, convenient, just press the key to easily open the storage box under the seat. Confident with the ultimate safety key system with a curtain to close the key compartment. Helmet in U-box. Works perfectly with a large XL size storage box up to 17 liters. Can put a full helmet. With a large 5.4 liter fuel tank. Premium amber meter. Mileage dial, elegant design, beautiful and clear, every detail. New charming chrome sticker. New chrome stickers, modern clear graphic lines reflecting the image of the liter. Front disc brake. Front disc brake providing full confidence in every brake stroke even after a short period. You can choose your favorite color.